If you're serious about making that extra money in 2020 and want to know what the best side hustles are, then get yourself a pen, your phone, wherever you're going to need to take notes, and let's get into this video. Quick disclaimer, please do your due diligence when starting a company or working for one, as depending on where you reside and your own circumstances, you may be responsible for paying your own taxes, insurances, rates, etc. Nothing that I mention in this video is a get-rich-quick scheme. However, with hard and smart work, the world is yours. What's up, guys? It's Victoria Grant here, your personal development author and coach, and thank you for joining me here on another episode of Victory Granted TV. Now, you know I'm all about self-improvement and creating ways that we can all be living our best life, right? And part of that, of course, includes making sure that you're growing when it comes to not only your relationship with yourself and others, but also your relationship with money. Now, so many of us have been brought up, especially in my era of like the 80s and 90s, to just believe that the way you make money is go to school, get a job, save until you retire, and then just draw out of a pension until the day you depart, right? But this is not working for so many of us in this new day and age, yeah? The method and way of thinking has changed, and it's just no longer the case. Not serving us. We've got dreams of, you know, fantastic lifestyles that we want to live, and for me, I like freedom and I want to enjoy life right now, not sometime in the future when I'm retired. And this means spending the precious time that I've got every day of my life as an adventure. To me, the monotony of doing the same thing over and over again like Groundhog Day literally sucks the life out of me and drains the energy that I've got. So it just stands to reason then, if you're anything like me, which I'm guessing you are, or else you wouldn't have clicked on this title, that instead of just having one job, yeah, which by the way stands for just over broke, that you should start exploring the infinite field of potential when it comes to, you know, exercising your earning power, and not to limit yourself to just one source of income. It's said that the average millionaire has 10 income streams or more. So I've listed around 11 for you, yeah? So just explore when you have a moment. So let's go. The first one, of course, is going to be YouTube, okay? How can I be on this platform and not mention the amazing benefits that it offers? Now, I'm super new to YouTube, so I'm not qualified to make partner in the YouTube partner program just yet. But I do know that if I continue to provide you with, you know, lovely content, valuable and hopefully informative that you're enjoying, then it won't be too long before I get to join in and, you know, earn some of that YouTube money just by adding some adverts at the beginning or the end of my videos. So if you do like these videos, please give them a thumbs up, as this really helps with the algorithms, and YouTube seems to love that stuff. And it just means that I'll be well on my way to meeting my goal, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. These are the stats that YouTube uses to determine like whether or not you can apply to be partner. So if it's something that you might be interested in doing your YouTube channel, then what are you waiting for? Start today. There's so many other opportunities once you get on the platform, but I think I'll do a whole nother video on that, so this one doesn't become way too lengthy. But you've got value to add to the world, so jump on board. Side hustle number 2 is a company called Upwork. Now, Upwork is an online platform that offers to introduce freelance writers, administrators, social media experts, virtual assistants, and so much more to potential clients worldwide. Like, all you need to do is set up your profile with your skills, a description of the type of works that you're interested in applying for, and then once your profile is accepted by Upwork, you can start to search for suitable like positions and projects. If you find any, you can apply for them directly with the employer that's advertising, And yeah, it offers some amazing benefits. Of course, you get to work from home. You have the flexibility of choosing the amount of hours that you're willing to commit to. And also you can be doing the kind of work that you enjoy. I'll leave links below to any of the resources that I mentioned, so you can go and check those out. But do try and watch until the end, guys, as there's going to be so many more that I mentioned that you might be interested in. Okay, so as I'm speaking, if you can and you're not driving or something like that, just write down the ones that resonate with you. On to side hustle number 3, which is Shopify. Now, for those of you who don't know, Shopify is a website builder with built-in tools that are designed specifically for e-commerce stores. Yeah, so it's basically a creator for online shops. Now, the beauty of Shopify is that it offers plugins to Obelo, which is an app that links to the famous wholesaler AliExpress. And this is wonderful because you can then use a method known as dropshipping, which in short means when your customer orders from your online Shopify store, that product is then automatically shipped directly from your supplier over at AliExpress in China. Now, it might sound a bit complicated, but you basically never ever need to order inventory or hold large amounts of stock at your home or a fulfillment warehouse. So you get to save so much money like that, you know, some low startup costs with that one. Now, there's loads of videos available on YouTube about drop shipping and Shopify. So if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, go check that out and do your research, yeah? What I will mention is that some of your favorite known shops online are Shopify stores, such as Fashion Nova, Tesla, and Red Bull, okay? Just to mention a few, I'm sure you've all heard of that. On to side hustle number 4. This is one that I've been using for around 3 years now, I think that's 2017, I guess, and it's Amazon Kindle. And with Amazon Kindle, if you're a writer, aspiring author, then you're able to use this platform to publish your own books, which is amazing because you then get all of that free Amazon traffic that comes with it. Now, it's quite simple, and again, there are loads and loads of videos and information available on Amazon and here on YouTube if you're interested in self-publishing your own books through them. But basically how it works is that every time you make a sale on Amazon Kindle, you receive a payment through something that's known as a royalty. And Amazon will literally transfer your earnings straight to you once a month without you having to do absolutely anything other than just being your amazing creative self, okay? And who knows, maybe you could become the world's next best seller, right? Go give it a go. Now, swiftly moving on to side hustle number 5, which I believe is one of the most important ones, which is to have a craft. And what I mean by this is to have a skill that you can use anywhere in the world, okay? Something that no one can take away from you, and it will always be in demand. You could build a business from it, you can build an empire from it, or just get extra cash. And I'm talking about something like, you know, doing hair, lashes, gardening, waxing or washing cars, bookkeeping, whatever it is you're good at, or something that you can just go and learn, something that you're always going to be able to make money at. I've always loved to do hair and also makeup from a young age, as far as I can remember actually, and that's something I'll always be able to use as a service if I needed to, right? And just think about it, the better that you come, or the more specialized you are with your craft, the more earning potential you have. So it's really important that you hone in on your natural talents, or just go and, you know, take a class and learn a new skill such as the one I've mentioned, and you can always use these as a hustle as well, okay? Now, side hustle number 6 is a company called Fiverr. Much like Upwork, who we spoke about earlier, Fiverr is another online platform where creative designers and proofreaders get to promote their services to clients. So if you're great at anything creative, then Fiverr would probably be perfect for you. You get to showcase your skills. You book gigs, I think they're called gigs, with clients who request your talents, and you know, maybe they need a book cover designed or a logo or even a thumbnail for here on YouTube or something like that. and then you can set a price and a deadline for when you complete that work, and then you just get paid like that. Simple. I think you can start charging maybe £5 minimum, but if you know you're really good at what you do, then you could request a lot more than that. Like, if you go over to Fiverr and have a look, you'll see that some of the gigs are not cheap, but it all depends on the quality of your work. But you're freelance, so it's entirely up to you how much you decide that you'll, start to charge people. And also you'll get genuine reviews and testimonials from these clients that you're doing work for, and you can use these and feed them back into your own businesses as well, if that's something that you want to do. So that's another win-win situation. On to side hustle number 7, which is an app called Helpnel. Now, this is an app that is used to connect cleaners with potential clients, and the way it works is that basically once you've signed up with the Helpnel app as a cleaner, the profile that you create, you get to explain the type of work you're interested in and what you're willing to do, your preferred hours, rates, travel distances, etc. And then your profile will become visible to clients that are looking to hire a cleaner at their home. And there are other domestic services you can offer as well, such as ironing, cooking, light removals, even I think childcare as well might be on there now. I haven't done any work through Helpnel personally, but it is real, it's reputable, and I know at least 3 people who have booked continuous work using this app, so it's legit, they've been paid. I just say, if you are going into people's homes, do let someone know where you're going to be, a friend or a family, just for extra safety and precautions, guys. And like I said, don't worry, I will link everything below. Now, I know we've gone through quite a lot already, but there are just a few more that I wanted to mention, so let's press on. Okay, so side hustle number 8 is for any of you who are car owners and wouldn't mind renting out your car for a few hours a day or a week, just to earn some extra money. And to do this, there's an app that loads of other car owners are using that's called Hire Car. There are a few other apps that are out there that are doing the same service, but this is one that I've been hearing some really good reviews about, and a lot of drivers do use it. Now, I think all you need to do is literally go to the website and sign up by entering your car reg number, set up a keyless technology with Hire Car, and once this is done, all you have to do is just start accepting bookings. All of the drivers are vetted and insured to drive your car, so you don't have to worry about that either. Another thing you could do, if you have a spare garage or private car space, maybe even just your driveway, you could rent that out to commuters or, local visitors to your area, and there's loads of apps online for that as well. So another thing you can go and check out. Side hustle number 9 is to offer out your home as an Airbnb. If you don't mind staying away for a few days a week, maybe you've got a partner and you don't live together, you can stay at theirs and just offer your home out as an Airbnb. Or if you don't have anywhere to stay, then maybe at the same time you're renting your home out, you could offer your services as a home sitter at someone else's home and look after their property while they're away traveling or whatever. Double bubble, right? Now, can I just say that for every single side hustle that I mention, of course there's going to be, specific rules, regulations and terms and conditions that you'll need to follow. So please go and find out about those before you jump into any of the opportunities, just to make sure that you're always fully compliant and informed at all times, guys. I wouldn't want you to get into any trouble, right? We're just all about making some extra cash. Now, for side hustles 10 and 11, I don't think I need to go too much into details, as they are pretty self-explanatory, and these are child minding or pet sitting. So if you wanted to, you could definitely offer child minding to your friends who have children or family members. And this probably works well for you if you're studying and you're a student. Maybe you can only do evenings, for instance, or school holidays, etc. Or maybe you love dogs or cats and wouldn't mind taking care of those. Like, both of these services are always in demand, and the rates of pay can start from around £10 and then soar to even like £40 an hour. It all depends. So that's not bad, guys. Dog walking as well, that's another massive business, and pet pampering as well. So if you just love animals and taking care of them, this just might be the side hustle that you've been looking for. Yes, those are the best 11 side hustles in 2020, and that brings me to the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If there's any that I mentioned that you would consider trying, and of course if you go and decide to sign up to any of these, then please do come back, you know, and just tell me how that goes. Give this video a massive thumbs up as well, guys. Please share it with a friend. Let's all win in 2020 and get this money. And don't forget to subscribe. Good luck with all your financial dreams and goals. I am honestly really praying and rooting that your dreams manifest in 2020 and beyond. Once again, I'm Victoria Grant. You're amazing. And till next time, take care.